everyone. Andy here from Complete Game Physical Therapy at our Lowell, Massachusetts clinic to go over an exercise for you guys today that's going to help activate your glute muscles. This is great as a warm-up either before a run or getting out on the field for any sports, or as a strengthening exercises for some of your glute muscles. So all you need is a resistance band. You're going to put it right around each ankle. You're going to come into a good athletic position, so knees a little bit bent, chest in and stomach nice and tight. And from here, we're going to move your hip into 3 different planes. So the first one is you're going to kick straight to the side, come back in, go diagonally back to the center, and then straight back and back to the center. That's one. And then you can go through again, diagonal back. We should be feeling this in the hip that you're moving. You can do sets of 15 to 20 as a warm-up, maybe like one time through 15 to 20 as a warm-up. If you want to use it as a strengthening exercise, I recommend maybe less reps, 10 to 15, but increase the sets to 3 to 4 sets. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, or you can give us a call at either clinic. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.